Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. And yes, your girl is bald-headed. I just finished with my clients and I am going to do a Lash Cart tour and a Lash Drawer tour. So if you're interested in watching this video, make sure you stay tuned. So we're gonna start with the Lash Drawer, and here I'm just showing you some of the goodie bags that I give to my clients. They are Lash Aftercare bags. If you haven't seen my Lash Aftercare bag video, make sure you go check that out. And here is the Lash Drawer. So first, I'm showing you the lash trays that I was testing. And yeah, if you were wondering why I was testing out lash trays, you'll see in a moment. So the first thing that I'm going to share is these lash, like when you make your own lash strips, these are the covers for the lash strips. And then we have the actual display for your lash strips. So you put the lash strips after you make them into these containers and then you cover them. And next we have these glue rings. They're the flowering glue rings, and I'll leave everything linked in the description box, but I love these glue rings because they help you snatch your base of your lashes when you're making fans. Next, I am showing you this lash primer. I haven't used it yet, but this is the lash primer by Twinks, and isn't it so cute? The packaging, everything, so cute. I can't wait to use this. And here I have some paper tape. They come in a pack of I think 12, and I'll have everything linked below. And here is a cream remover by Twinks. Still haven't been able to use it, but it is so cute, isn't it? The packaging is so cute. And here I am showing you this pill box that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just labeled it so I can store my pro-made fans. This is what I bought when I first started pro-making my fans, and it got the job done. But of course, y'all know me, I like cute, aesthetically pleasing things that serve a purpose. So I've moved on to another container, and here is where I store the different sizes to the glue shaker. So I accidentally put my glue in the wrong way, so that's why there is a top stuck in one of those. And here are my magnifying glasses from Lashbox LA, Lashbox Los Angeles, yeah, Lashbox LA, and they're cute and everything, but I feel like they didn't work at all. I don't see any magnifying being done. So if you've used these glasses, definitely let me know in the comments if they work for you. Now over here I have the concentrate that I use for my lash baths, and in here I have some micro swabs. They come in a bulk pack. And then I have some lip ones. I need to order more. And some spoolies. And now here are the lashes that I use. And these lashes right here are my own brand of lashes, Exo Luxury Eyelash Extensions. If you are interested in purchasing my volume lash extensions, make sure you go follow the Exo Luxury Instagram page and go to the website so that you are alerted when we drop. I also have some Iconic by D lashes, and these are from her previous collection of lash extensions. I also have some iLevel Lab extensions, and these are the already made fans because when I first started doing lashes, I could not make a fan to save my life, and so I was using pro-made lashes, and I was using iLevel Lab lash extensions as well as Lost Artistry lash extensions. I love the Lost Artistry volume lash extensions, and more Iconic by D, and some more iLevel Lab lash extensions. And in this box here, I have any supplies that I use when I'm practicing doing lashes. So this box is by Kate Spade. I got this box at TJ Maxx, and it's one of their nesting boxes. Love these boxes. They are so cute. So in this box, I have these round applicator sponges. I think I got these from Target or Walmart, and I use them when I'm practicing making fans, as you can see here. I also have some practice lash extensions, and this is just so you can practice. You can make lash strips, and you can see that I was practicing, and I love that bottom volume C curl lash, but this is something that you can use to make your own strip lashes. I also have some of the Barboletta dots, and I have a paper tape in there. I bought these Scotch. Yeah, I think they're Scotch. I bought these Scotch dots Dollar Tree and get this big pack of makeup sponges. And that is it for that box. And now we're going to move on to the Lash Cart. And this Lash Cart isn't just a Lash Cart, it's a cart for all the services that I provide, and you can get it at Michael's. They have a lot of colors. I wish I had more room because I'd get the rose gold one as well. I have these LivBay mini lash glues, and I love the mini lash glues because I don't have to worry about wasting product. They are small, and yeah, I love this little thing, and it conveniently has 2 of the glues that I actually use on the regular. I have these containers that came in a pack at HomeGoods, and I love them because they fit perfectly on the Lash Cart, and all I have to do is label them, and they're just so sleek. They look good. They're not chunky looking. I just love them. I wish I could remember the brand name, but if I can think of it, I'll put it in the description box. But HomeGoods, that's where they were at, and they came in like a pack of 3 or 4. Next, I have some more lash trays, and of course, I have my lash trays up front, XO Luxury. Make sure y'all check out our Instagram and sign up for notifications for when we drop. And then I have some iLevel Lab. I have some LivBay lashes. If you saw my lash and talk video, you saw this container that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's cute, it's compact, and I feel like it works well for pro making fans. But once I saw these clear containers at HomeGoods, I had to get those. I have these containers from Michael's that I store lash tiles in. This particular container, just a practice container, so it has practice stuff on there, so that's why it looks all unorganized like this. This is not used on clients. And I also have a container that is empty, so I can put a new lash tile in there. And here are more of my volume lash extensions by XO Luxury. Now moving up to the top of the cart where I started to set up for a client, I have in this container the XO Luxury handheld mirror. Then I have a Twinks lash glue shaker. I have a LivBay tweezer case, and then there's a smaller tweezer case for 1 tweezer. That's by Twinks. I have that dental mirror by LivBay, and then there's a paper tape in there. I have some flowering glue rings, my mini fan, a lash bath, a nano mister. I have a gel lash remover, some primer, and I have the LivBay Climax Bond. This stuff smells really good. I'm still testing it out. I have my eyelash pads, and the white and pink ones are by XO Luxury. They will be available soon. Sign up to be alerted when they are gonna drop. I have some iLevel Lab extensions, and I have a LivBay Magic Mike tweezer. Love that tweezer. A spoolie. I also have some Nextcare tape. Love that tape. And yeah, a eyelash pad by XO Luxury. And then in this baggie, I have one of those mini lash glues. That's it for my Lash Cart tour. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.